All right, Ollie. What's this word? That's right. This is the word duck. 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 Good job. Good job. One more dinner.
Ducks go quack quack.
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack quack.
What's this word? What's this word? Drum. That's right. Drum. Good job. Drum. There's a drum. What's this word? Teeth. That's right. Teeth. Teeth. Good job. Look at the big girl's teeth. Stamp? What's this word? Do you know that one? No, we don't know that one yet. Drinking. Drinking. You can drink from your cup. The little girl's drinking her milk. Drinking. What's this one, Ollie? Hat. Very good. Hat. This is a hat, a cowboy hat. And we put a hat on our head. We put a hat on our head. Good job, Ollie. Good job. And that's it. Our cards are done.
Good job, Ollie, man.
There you go.